Good morning, happy Friday. I thought I would attempt a weekend vlog of some sort. Never done one before, so I'm not sure how it'll turn out, but we've got a busy weekend, so I'm working today. And then tonight we're going to a bonfire. And then tomorrow we've got bits to do in the back room that we're decorating, so I've got painting to do. We need to go and order a carpet. And yeah, so it's just going to be filled with us pottering about, really. Not sure how it'll turn out, but we shall see. That's the dog whining. I've just put him away quickly whilst I come and get dressed. And then we're going to go out for a walk. He's been out and had a wee. And he's been fed, but just needed to quickly lock him away so that he doesn't eat the cat's food whilst the cat eats. That's his favourite thing to do. And then we're going to go out for a quick walk with him. It's nice and frosty outside this morning, so I'm going to wrap up more.
She's a good boy then. Yes, and you go on a walk.
I've got my scarf on because it's freezing out there.
Where's the doing? Where's the kisses? What? Have we got walkies?
He's off. He's gone for a walk. Ugh, strangling myself here. Got about an hour now until we have to go and take Jensen to school. So I've made his lunch. I've made his lunch already. So he just needs to get he's got PE today. So he just has to get his PE kit on, and then basically that's it. And we're off to a bonfire tonight, so hopefully if the weather's okay I can take you with us to the bonfire.
What are you doing, Murphy? Hey? What are you doing? Hey, Stinky. I know. I need to hang my... no jumping up. Sit. 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 Do you want a treat? Wait. Wait. Nicely. Good boy.
So yes, now it's time to go and tell Jensen to get ready. Well, he doesn't have to get ready yet, but I would rather just go and let him know that his clothes are on his bed.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Excuse me. Right, okay. Wait. Ready? Okay. Go. Fetch it. Murphy. Murphy. You're such a lazy player. You are.
3, 2,
Where are you throwing it?
1.
Watch my
Fetch
head.
it!
He caught that mid-air.
Yeah! Jumped and caught it.
Right, so you've got approximately 1 hour until we set off to school, and I've put your PE kit on your bed. I forgot what you're doing at school today. You've got your first keyboard lesson today.
Oh yeah!
And when I pick you up from school, what we're doing tonight?
I don't know.
What?
Oh yeah! Bonfire!
Bonfire!
that's down here clean. We're gonna go and do the school run now. And then at lunch, I'm gonna prep tea and hoover, possibly, maybe. I just feel like there's no point hoovering in here because the amount of dust that's coming out of that back room whilst Andrew's been sanding and stuff. So it's all tidy in here, finally. And, oh, hi Gizmo.
Oh yeah, that's a cat. We've not seen him.
Do you want to come in?
We've not seen him.
He's been in this morning because he's eaten. Do you want your food? Do you want your food? Oh, you're out of water. Yeah. Come on then. There you go. Good boy. What are you doing? Yeah, it's very wet out here. Patio is filthy. Needs a good scrub, but there's just no point over winter, is there? Hey. You excited for school? Yeah. Good stuff.
Hi. We're off to school.
Hey. It's cold, isn't it? It's 5 degrees.
Yeah. So we're going to school, setting off. So we're just going. Going.
Clear your window.
You did it. The window is now clear. Motorbike.
Had a few kids, bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job and moved uptown. I bought you everything and never questioned why. All this time I waited for us.
So, the battery died in the car whilst Jensen was doing his filming. I'm back from the school run. I have been working now for about an hour. Lunchtime. Just coming downstairs now. Hi Murphy. Hi Spod. He's a good boy. I've been stole Andrew's jacket today because I don't want to put the heating on. Honestly, if I spend all my time working from home with the heating on, it's just going to cost us an absolute fortune. So, I need to prep the salt and pepper chicken. I just need to prep the chicken because then everything else should be really quick. You can't even see me there, can you? I'm on this. Don't know if that's going to be back to front. Gusto salt and pepper chicken with egg fried rice, and it's really good. Now these recipes are for 2 people, but we split it between 3 of us. So I just need to do the chicken bit. Do you know what? I don't even think I need to, I just need to chop the chicken. Chop the chicken, prepare the veg. So, to get out the chicken. Ginger, spring onions, chilies, so I can prep that. That's a bit much, but we'll go with that. 165. It's fine. Then put them in some water. Right, my peas are in some water. Water.
1 red chili. Chili! For a big one. Let's go for a big chili. Don't know how much spring onion. 3 spring onions. 3. That one will do. That one will do. And that one will do. And the rest can go back in the fridge. 15 grams of fresh root ginger, garlic, clove. We'll do that. So nice today to see people posting on Facebook about their negative test results for flying out. Rude. For flying out on Monday. Really exciting. I'm so excited to see people's posts next week. Like, I know it's not going to be the same, but it's just nice to have some normality. I don't claim to be Gordon Ramsay, so I can't, like, I'm not a really fast chopper of things. These are very, I'm gonna have to chop these in half as well, aren't I? I am. And the garlic. I do have a garlic press, to be fair, but if I've got to grate the ginger, might as well as grate this too. Because again, not a chef. Not a chef. You can go in the bin there. Da, 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 da.
I've not filmed my sandwich.
Why have I not what? Filmed your sandwich? Because I've not made it. What are these called?
What?
These vegetables.
What vegetables?
Is a chilli a vegetable?
What?
Is a chilli a vegetable?
Yeah, in theory. Why?
Well, they're all ready. They just go in the pot. I've not sprayed that.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna have ginger and garlic sandwich.
Ginger and garlic sandwich.
Do you want a plate?
No.
I've cleaned up. Right, do I chop the chicken now or do I just chop the chicken later?
I would have chopped it later, but you probably say it smells and not make it anyway.
No,
So-
it'll be fine. I'll chop it later. I'll just finish work a bit early. It is a Friday after all. Just leave my peas on the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? Where else are you going to put them?
In the fridge.
Why?
I don't know.
It's frozen into a massive block. It's cold enough. What treats have we got?
None.
Oh,
None.
So it was a bad day Friday.
It is. Friday's an awful day.
That's why we get takeaway on a Friday.
Yeah, well, we're having a fake away. Fake Chinese.
What's Jensen got?
Nothing. Oh, in his trick-or-treat box. He's probably ate all the chocolates.
I know. So crap sweets.
I am filming evidence of this so that when Jensen watches the video, he'll be like, "That's at my treats!" Right, so let's go log back on and crack on with some work. So it is 3 o'clock. I am going to go and get Jensen from school and come back and then work for another hour and a bit and then do tea and then we'll be off. That's a bit of light, isn't it? And then we'll be off to the bonfire.
I've just got back from school. Come say hi.
Hello. Oh God, what do I look like there? It's not a good angle. I just look like a tiny head.
Yeah, the tiny head.
Come on, come on, come on.
I've just got back from school. My mum's getting mad.
I'm not getting mad. I just hate this bit of traffic at school time. It's always very busy.
I'm very, very, very busy. So I've just got back from school. Had a great day.
What
The
have you done?
PE. The PE.
Done your keyboard lesson.
Mhm.
What did you say you've been learning in it?
Keyboard.
Yeah, but what song?
Oh, Dance Monkey.
Oh look, this is where we're going tonight. Can you film it?
Oh.
Put the thing down and turn.
Ooh,
Turn it, put it down, turn it round so you can see. This is where we're going tonight. Here.
Whoa, that's cool.
That's where we're going.
There's a literal bouncy house.
Yeah.
I'm going in there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Work is finished. The animals are just eating tea, and then I'm gonna go and quickly walk the dog before fireworks start going off outside. And then quickly make tea. I think we're gonna walk up to the pub at about, is this dead? Has it died on me? No, it's not. At about 6 o'clock, so. Chicken. Just waiting for my oil to get hot. And then in goes the chicken. Dinner is served. Good?
Chicken's nice. Hello. Hello, people.
Put your gloves on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You sparkle-arculous.
Sparkle handler. We're on the way. My friend gave me this glow stick.
Can't even see us. I can't even see your face. It's too dark. I can see the fire though. There you go. So cheers. Home. We've had a really good night. Fireworks were really good, weren't they?
What are you eating?
The dog's eating
What
something in the
are you
garden.
eating?
Jensen's just gone to bed and I'm going to bed shortly. Signing off for the night. Say good night.
Good night. Murphy, say good night.
Good morning.
Hello.
There's Jensen there eating his porridge. Chocolate porridge. Chocolate porridge. So I like chocolate porridge at the weekends, aren't you? I need to get dressed, go to Asda, do the shopping, come back. Then we need to go and order a carpet for in the back room. Need a carpet in there. Do you know what? I'm gonna have a brew. Just stick the kettle on. You had a good time last night, didn't you? Yeah. Change of plan. I've not been shopping yet. It's like 3 hours later and I had to go to my mum's and help her with something to do with work. So we are gonna go get the carpet in a minute. Well, go and order a carpet and then go and do the shopping then. But we're gonna go and drop Jensen off at his nan's for a couple of hours. Yeah. So it is 25 past 5. I've literally not been in since 1 o'clock maybe. So we went and dropped Jensen off. And then we went to the carpet shop, then we went to B&Q. I forgot that football was on, so we got stuck in all the football traffic. And then we went to Asda, did the shop, and I've just come home and unpacked and Andrew's going to pick Jensen up. And then
We're basically just going to have a chill night, I think. Which is frustrating because we really wanted to get in there done. So we've ordered the carpet and the carpet's being fitted on the 15th. So we need to get that room done by then. So we've got this weekend and next weekend, and we're out next weekend for Andrew's son's girlfriend's birthday. I just don't feel like I've got a lot done today, but it's okay, I'll make up for it tomorrow. I don't know whether I just heard a voice or that was the cat. There's a lot of football fans like walking past at the minute, so could be them. Well, I don't normally hear people out the front because we're at the back of the house at the minute. What we're doing tonight now is probably play a board game with Jensen, and then I don't know what board game, actually I might play Game of Life. Have a couple of drinks. We've got some scones with some cream and jam, and then I think me and Andrew are going to watch something on television and order a takeaway, just because it's been one of those days I can't be bothered to cook. I'll probably film some of the board game. Yeah. This is the light that we've bought today to go in the back room. Needed a new light in there, and I didn't want something like dangling down, I just wanted it on the ceiling. So we've gone for this, which was £28 at B&Q. But at the minute they're doing 20% off indoor and outdoor lights, so got 20% off that, with some bulbs to go with them. And then we picked up some wallpaper to go on the walls. You can't actually tell what it is here, but it's like a brick pattern. So yeah.
I'm green.
So yeah, Andrew's not playing because Andrew is doing some DIY.
Yeah.
Right.
This is a vlogging weekend.
So it's just me and thee. Right, that goes in the corners of each one then.
Who's thee?
You, thee, me, and thee.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to go to college, you have to pay 100k to the bank straight away as tuition fee. So you're going to college, or are you just going straight for a career?
Wait, I have to pay?
Yeah, but when you get a job, you get paid more whenever you land on payday.
Okay.
So it's up to you. I'm paying.
I'm paying.
I'm paying my 100 in, and I'm going to college.
Paying my 100.
Yeah?
And I'm going to college.
Good stuff.
Gotta spin the wheel, I got a 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I get my bonus salary. Also, I get a house. Oh, and past house.
You know, you have to land on house.
Oh. Ah! Wait, you moved my character. It says, sell your old car. Choose one option. Trade in at the dealership and collect 50k from the bank. Or sell at a discount to a friend and collect 30k from another player.
Well, don't be mean to me, because I've just had to give you 20k. So
Come on.
why would you do that? What does it say?
Choose.
Collect 50k from the bank or 30k from another player?
I want you to lose your money so you lose.
Yeah, but you would get more money from the bank.
Yeah, but you...
Why are you playing like your dad plays?
I'm gonna beat her.
I need to land on a payday, because then I get 160k.
Money, my money. Money.
I've literally got 50k left. I have to sell my house.
Hopefully you land on a black then.
6. 1, 2. Stop. Grow your family. I can't afford to grow my family. I'd have to pay 50k. So I can't.
Why? Why can't you?
Because I'd have no money. So I'm not growing my family, am I? Spin again.
Yeah, but then you'll have 40k.
Why would I have
4k.
Why would I have 4?
Because don't you add them? Gimme money. Gimme money.
Alright, Abba.
Buy an old school bus from the junkyard. Choose one option. fix it up, sell it and collect it. And collect 50k from the bank. Fix it up, rent it out as a party bus and collect 20k from each player. Give me the 20k!
Wrong way. This is not fair! Put down, Murphy. Come on, down, please.
20k.
Right, well, you need to give me 30, please.
Right.
Where am I?
6.
Oh, I'm in.
What?
I wondered what. I was like, where am I on the board? In my hand.
6, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me money. What am I gonna get? Oh, sell the family farm. Choose one option. Choose one option.
Stop.
Come on, give it me.
Why? This isn't fair. Right, what do I owe you?
Ooh, 20k.
Are you having a... Are you... I'll bet you any money the next time I pull one of these out, I don't get to take money off you. Yeah. Honestly, this game is big.
I keep getting those cards.
Right.
And 1,300,000.
400.
No. Oh, 1,400,000.
I'll beat you.
What?
I've got 1,500,000. And then these ones here. Oh, this time, dog.
Because flip the board.
Don't be silly.
Good morning. I need to I need to learn more about the battery on this because I obviously think it's got a better battery than what it does and it keeps dying on me. So it died last night as we were packing up for from playing Game of Life, but I won, which I knew I would. And then Jensen went to bed, and then me and Andrew watched something on Disney Plus and had a takeaway, and then I went to bed. And then I've got up this morning, I've put some washing in, sorted the house insurance renewal because that needed doing. And now I'm just going to start editing like Friday and Saturday of this vlog. And then I've got the gloss in to do today. I was meant to do it yesterday, but obviously haven't. So I've got that to do today as well. And then I think for tea, we're gonna have a spaghetti bolognese. We've got some garlic bread. I might put it in the slow cooker. Obviously not the pasta, I'll just do that separately later. But rather than me cooking the mince, I might just stick it in and it'll just be really flavoursome with like some garlic cloves and stuff in there. I love a good bolognese. What are you doing, Liza?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Doing this last few days, why?
What am I moving to the shed? Just everything that's on the floor?
Everything that's not being used for decorating or sanding.
Okay. So all this wood's going back in there?
Yeah.
Right.
Everything.
Okay. You building corners with fillers again? So Andrew is now currently sanding that room for the final sand. Jensen is getting dressed.
Going to play out with my friends.
Cleaning his room.
I've cleaned my room, now I'm going out.
This is Jensen's
My dad pushed.
messy bedroom.
My dad, broke this.
I accidentally knocked it off. We need to rebuild it, don't we?
Yeah.
What we need to do is put up your other Minecraft print
Yeah.
and put your clock up as well.
Yeah. Clock's broken. Well,
Nice.
it's not broken, it's got the wrong time.
What we're going to do once we've done downstairs, Jensen, you've got bits of Lego on your floor here. If Murphy gets in, he's going to eat them.
Oh, it's because Dad knocked him off and there was a bunch in like a pot somewhere.
Okay. Yeah, what we need to do is, once we've done downstairs, Jensen's Lego addiction is getting out of hand now, so we've got Lego
Yeah,
just
they're all in this little
everywhere.
box here.
We've got Lego everywhere at the minute, so
Yeah.
we're gonna get like a tall bookshelf, I think. Put it in this corner, move his computer desk into the middle there.
Why are you moving my computer?
Because a bookshelf there would be a bit out of place, so a bookshelf really should go in a corner out of the way, so we might put it over there. And then you can get more. Andrew.
Dad, you look like a weird upgraded version of Bane.
An upgraded version, meaning a downgraded version.
Andrew has finished sanding. I've been back to Carpet Right to pick a new carpet because the one we had was 2 centimetres too short.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry. And there it is, my love, 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 mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding.
So I'm done. I'm not done. I've done a first coat. So these ones are obviously fresh wood. So these ones have come up much nicer. And these ones obviously going to need about 3 coats, I think, and especially the windowsill. But yeah, so it took me about an hour. I've done it all. This should be dry in about 4 hours, I think. So once this is dry, I could do another coat tonight, and I probably should, but whether I will or not is another matter. Masking tape stuck to me. But yeah, I really, really like it. So we've gone for like a light grey carpet, and then everything else is going to be white except these two that stick out, which I've already told you anyway in this video. So got to have it all done by next Sunday for the carpet coming the following Monday. I think we're going to change that light switch as well for a black one, but we'll see when it's done. Don't have to do that straight away. Done. Hello.
Hello.
So we've had a bit of a busy day. I've just finished the glossing. Well, I've got another coat to do. Jensen's been out playing for a little bit, and then he's come in because some boys were being mean, weren't they?
They were picking on me. Daddy.
That's here. Yeah. And then we're about to have tea, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Gonna have tea.
Cheesy sandwiches.
Yeah, spag bol didn't happen because I've only just finished.
What, we were
glossing.
going to have spag?
I was gonna make spag bol, yeah.
Yes!
I knew he'd be happy
No
about
spag
that.
bol, no spag bol.
So yeah, so we're gonna have tea in about 10 minutes, and then Jensen's going to bed.
I don't want to.
Well, you're not going to bed straight away.
I pee tomorrow.
Pee.
Yeah.
And I've got mounds of washing to put away, so.
Yeah.
And we're gonna finish the vlog here, aren't we?
Yes.
Goodbye.
Bye! That's a bye.
Bye.